In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your Hostinger VPS in under 5 minutes. Whether you are hosting a website, running applications, or setting up a game server, connecting to your VPS is the first and most important step. Follow along, and this process will feel quick and simple. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Hostinger provides a reliable platform for building websites, hosting apps, and managing virtual servers. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login button, click on it, and enter your email and password. If this is your first time logging in, make sure the credentials you created during registration are ready. After logging in, you will be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also known as the H panel. This dashboard is the main control center for all the services connected to your account. Take a moment to look around because getting familiar with this area will help you manage your VPS more confidently in the future. Next, find the VPS section in your dashboard. Click on it to access all your VPS hosting options. A VPS or virtual private server gives you the freedom to control your hosting environment with more power and flexibility than shared hosting. You will now see different VPS configurations depending on what you want to accomplish. Here, you will notice options for hosting websites, building applications, or setting up game servers. Click on the option that best fits your goals. If you want a general purpose VPS, choose the KVM VPS setup. This option is ideal for websites, business applications, or personal projects. If you plan to host game servers, choose the game panel option. This setup is optimized for game performance, easier server management, and quick configuration. Once you select your VPS type, you will be guided through the setup steps. Hostinger will prepare your server, install the required system, and give you important details such as your IP address and login information. These details are essential because you will use them to connect to your VPS through SSH or a remote desktop software depending on the operating system you choose. When your VPS is ready, simply follow the instructions provided on screen. For Linux VPS, you can connect using an SSH client like Terminal or PuTTY for Windows. VPS, you can use the remote desktop connection tool to log in and start customizing your server. The login credentials and IP address shown on your Hostinger panel are all you need to begin. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you are now connected to your Hostinger VPS and ready to set it up for your website, apps, or game projects. AVPS gives you power, flexibility, and control, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a stable and customizable online environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Hostinger VPS. Happy hosting!